Russian leader Vladimir Putin hoped to use Russia's technology and the power of its warplanes to easily invade Ukraine. When Russia invaded Ukraine, it relied heavily on its air force and its technological strength in this field. The Ukrainian army, with its air defense systems and long-range missiles, gave an unexpected response to the Russian air force. The Russian army was confronted with unexpected power and defense. The Russian Air Force was not as effective as expected and lost very important fighter aircraft and pilots. Ukrainian forces, on the other hand, surprised the Russians and turned into a nightmare for Russian aircraft with their state-of-the-art drones and air defense systems. Ukrainian military personnel continue to receive training to better control F-16 fighter jets. According to the latest news, the trained pilots have reached the end of operational training with F-16 fighter jets. It is said that F-16 fighter jets will be delivered to Ukraine shortly, although the Ukrainian army is effective in land operations and operations with unmanned aerial vehicles. Its power in the region will increase a lot with fighter jets. We will see whether the Ukrainian army will continue its strong and effective operations in November and December. The Russian army has lost 324 fighter jets since the start of the war on 24th of February 2022. This means both the loss of billions of dollars and the loss of many important Russian pilots. Do you think Russian losses will continue in December?